Hello, welcome class second. Today we are going to read English second chapter first. Let us start. The name of the chapter is The Wonder of the Nature. The Wonders of Nature. Listen, my dear students, our nature has provided us a lot of things those are beneficial for our daily life. So now let us discuss about those things. First, we will read the chapter up to here, the page given in your screen, and then we will discuss on it. The clock struck 6. Arun looked out of the window. He saw the sun rising in the east. Arun said to his mummy, "See, mummy, how beautiful the sun is. It looks like a red ball." Mummy said, "True, Arun. The sun is useful as well. It gives us heat and light." After some time, Vicky, his friend, came to meet Arun. He had a book on riddles. Vicky read out a riddle. "I go into your body with every breath. I come out the moment next. I am everywhere, but you cannot see me. Who am I?" My dear students, see, we read this chapter. Now we will discuss. So, first one is the clock struck 6. Means the clock shows 6 in the morning, and Arun looked out of the window. He saw the sun rising in the east. He was very excited to see the rising sun. Yes, my dear students, you also can see in the morning when the sun rises, the sky looks beautiful. Isn't it a magic that every morning sun comes from the same side and from the same place to give us heat and light? It is because of the sun your wet clothes become dry very soon. So that's why sun is very useful for us. See next. The Arun told his mother that sun looks like a red ball. Then mummy told him, "Yes, it gives us heat and light. It is a big ball of burning gases." So after some time, Vicky, his friend, whose friend? Arun's friend, came to meet Arun. There was a book in his hand. It was a book of riddles. Do you know what is the riddle? Riddle means a question difficult to understand. Sometime what you do, आप कभी कभी पहेली पूछते हो एक दूसरे से. हाँ, तो वही पहेली ही रिडल होती है. पहेली का मतलब रिडल, और रिडल मीन्स पहेली. सो रिडल मीन्स in English a difficult question, a question difficult to understand. Then Vicky read out a riddle. "I go into your body with every breath. I come out the next moment. I am everywhere, but you cannot see me. Who am I?" You also can think, what goes into your body with every breath and what comes out the moment next? What is everywhere and you cannot see? Yes, you got it. That is air. Then on this topic, when they finished their discussion, they went to the next topic. That is their conversation. Vicky said, "All living things need air." Arun said, "Yes, we cannot live without air." Soon they started playing near the gate, and there were clouds in the sky. The wind started blowing as the weather was pleasant. Mummy also came out. When Mama saw so much clouds are there in the sky, she also came out to their children. Let us go to the next page. "From where to cloud come, auntie? Vicky was eager to know. As about the sun, Arun was eager to know. In the same way, now Vicky was eager to know from where the clouds come.
हिंदी का
Then auntie
हिंदी में
told
हम इसे
them
पहेली कहते
they
हैं।
come from the sea.
तो
the wind
विकी
brings
ने
them.
एक पहेली
Soon
पूछी
it may rain.
कि वो
Auntie
क्या
told
है
them that
जिसे
they
हम
come
सांस
from
के
the
हर सांस
sea.
के साथ अंदर
Wind
लेते
help
हैं
them
और फिर अगले
to
ही
come out
मिनट पे
or
उसे
wind
बाहर
bring them to
निकाल देते
you.
हैं।
And
क्या
then
है जो
soon
सब
it
जगह
may
है
came
लेकिन हमें
rain.
दिखाई नहीं देता। The things,
The
what is the
leaves
thing
are
which is
dry. It is
everywhere
very
but we
hot.
cannot
The rain
see.
is good for plants.
Yes,
Vicky
that
said.
is
Vicky
air.
said rain is good for plants
Yes,
also as
you
well.
got it.
Then
That
auntie
is
said the rain
air.
is good for us.
So
Also,
let us go to the next topic,
water
that
we
is
drink come
their
from
conversation.
the rain.
Then
As
later
you will
they
go
had
into
a
the
conversation.
bigger classes,
Vicky
you will
said,
know about
all
the
living
water
things
cycle.
need air.
Again and again, the
And
same
Arun
water
said
going
then,
up and coming
yes,
down,
we
going up
cannot
and
live without
coming
air.
down. Yes.
They
So
started
next,
playing near
does
the gate,
Vicky
and soon
asked,
there were
does
clouds
that
in the
mean
sky.
we can
The
drink
wind
rainwater,
started.
auntie? Then auntie said, yes, Vicky, but we cannot drink seawater because it is salty. Yes. Then Vicky said, is rainwater pure? He asked, is rainwater pure? Auntie said, yes, rainwater is pure. The wind brings only water from the sea. The salt is left behind. It started raining and they all ran inside. So in this way, we finished this chapter. And what did you know now about the chapter? Yes, let me explain it again to you. We read in this chapter that sun rises in the east. It gives us heat and light. It is very useful for us and for plants also. Then we know wind bring the clouds from the sea. Sea water is salty but rainwater is pure. So we can drink rainwater. Yes, now my dear students, it is time to get the homework. So here you can see in the both pages, few underlined words are given in front of you. So what you will do, you will learn all these difficult spellings. You will write them in your notebook. If you purchased the new notebook, you can start doing your homework. First, in homework copy, you will mention all these words as dictation words. Then one word power is given here. This also you can write. Tomorrow we will meet with the other exercises. Till then, stay safe, stay home.